My name is Cristiano Arthur Rincon Rodriguez. I am 19 years old. I weigh 16 kilos. The skin color is brown, and the hands is black. The eyes are in brown. I am a student at una open at distance university. I am inter 4 summers. I am from Tibu Norte de Santander, Colombia. I like to go fishing in the river. I am last listening art, Christ music. I dislike playing soccer. In my family, where are for my father's name is and Pastor Aníbal Rincón. He is farmer. He is 36 years old. He is from Tibu Norte de Santander, Colombia. My mother name is Luz Dari Rodriguez. She is a housewife. She is 36 years old. She is from Cúcuta Norte de Santander, Colombia. I had brother. My brother name is Jefferson Fari Rincon. He is a school student. He is in ninth grader. He is 14 years old. Live stream was was three wins and gold, and it was a student trip to Pamplona, Norte de Santander, to carry out practical component of my morphophysiology course and it lads and dry book on the river. Very easy due to change in the water. On three in the water in Pamplona is go cold for 14 very 14 degrees Celsius. It was practical. It took photos of was due on their brother summer notice. I would like to make a trip to San Andres province with my family and um, have a good time. Thank you, teacher.